Hallelujah, it's time to go back to school. Let's make a 3-ring binder pouch out of a dish mat and some grommets. I grabbed a piece of printer paper to use like as my pattern, and then I realized that it actually is the perfect size once all the seams are sewn and everything, so I just literally cut it the size of my paper. I cut it on the fold so that I don't have to sew that line, and then I used some zipper by the yard and my zipper foot to attach the zipper at the top of the bag. I didn't even put like zipper tabs on this. We're making this really beginner friendly. So just sew that zipper onto the top and then turn it right side out and top stitch it, and then repeat that on the opposite side. Now, quick note, let the zipper hang over the edge of your bag by like 1/8 of an inch so that when you flip it down, it actually encloses that raw edge of your bag, right? Twofer. Love it when a plan comes together. Are you still hanging in there with me? If you are, I'm super proud of you. Keep going. This is going to be really fun. That grommet maker is available on Amazon, and it has been so much fun to play with. Literally everything in my house is covered in grommets now. Once you top stitch that other side, turn the bag right side out, and we're going to sew down the side seams. So do a straight stitch first and make sure you're catching those zipper teeth in there too, because that's going to be basically what serves as the stopper for your zipper pull. And then you're going to zigzag stitch over those edges. You're finishing the side seams by doing this. That helps keep it from fraying. So both side seams, and then once you get that done, it's time to turn the bag right side out and see how beautiful your handiwork is. So poke those corners out with your fingers and make sure that the zipper is functioning. And if you want to stop here and not do the grommets, that's totally fine. This would make an adorable little pencil or marker or crayon or colored pencil bag, but I want it to go in the 3-ring binder. So I marked 1.25 inches up from the bottom edge and sewed a straight line, and then I'm going to put my grommets on that side of the line. You don't have to do this step. I just think it looks nice, so I did it. Here's me using my super cool grommet tool, and you put 3 of those in. Make sure you mark like where they are according to where your binder rings are so that they function properly and that it fits inside the binder. Moment of truth. Let's see if it fits. Oh, look, it does. Oh my gosh. Okay, that turned out super cute. I'm gonna make a few more of these and give them out as like teacher gifts, as like a hey, thanks for dealing with my kid in the coming year. Good luck. What do you think of my grommet zipper bag? Like and follow for more.